Got this piece of Gridwall from Vivor. This is the box that it ships in. It's not real big or heavy. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. Inside the main box, we have a smaller box with some of the parts. And then we've got just a couple of cardboard spacers. Then the Gridwalls themselves. These panels are broken down into halves. Of course, Vivor always has easy to follow instructions, and I'm pretty impressed that everything is zip tied together so that there's no issues in shipping. Really easy to assemble. It just took a moment or two to assemble each part. There's a top and a bottom that get assembled together, and then 2 screws on each of the uprights, and then adjustable footings so it can work on tile floors. It comes with a bunch of attachments as well, so you can hang all kinds of interesting things on here. Hope this helps.